welcome to Monday, and this version or this edition of Running in Circles, which is actually, I'm going to walk, which is my warm-up. But the point of Running in Circles is Mondays, setting goals, putting one foot in front of the other, and making progress towards your goals. 1/4 mile at a time. I love Mondays. And one reason that I love Mondays is because I spend about an hour on Sundays planning my week. And the way I do that is I do a major brain dump, which means I make a big list of all the things I need to do. And then I take all of those things and put them onto my calendar. And then I cross it off the list, and then I throw the list away, which feels amazing. So I had someone ask me recently. I went to put something in my calendar, and she says, do you ever look at your calendar, like to see that you put something in your calendar? And I'm like, yeah, that's the purpose of a calendar. But I get what she's saying because it is tempting to put stuff in your calendar and then never look at it again. So I have an event on my calendar that says, look at your calendar. No, seriously. They say if it's not scheduled, it's not real. So I have Running in Circles on my calendar, and right after this, I'm going to grab Judah, because the next thing on my calendar is Run with Judah or Exercise with Judah. So that's one reason that I love Mondays, because it's like, okay, let's get this party started. All of the things that I scheduled yesterday, let's get it started. So, and I think the excitement, possibly part of it, is just being prepared. On Mondays, when I don't spend the time on Sunday preparing for the week, I do feel a little bit like unprepared for the week. Not ready to get started, because really having all of those to-dos floating around in your brain is a little exhausting. So getting them out on paper and then scheduling it it's like a jump start on your week. You can start your Monday morning without the mental overload of all the to-dos. So it's just a little Nest Pretty tip. Get all the things out of your brain. I'm just talking about calendaring is really the official word for it. Calendaring. Planning your week on Sunday before Monday starts, so that you're excited about Monday morning. And you can start crossing things off your list first thing. And putting your goals and your dreams on that calendar is really smart too. Because, like I said, if it's not scheduled, it's not real. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, encouraging you to make small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And one of those choices is planning your week. Trying to do it on Sunday so that on Monday you are excited and ready to go. So I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll talk soon. Bye.